meaning to you?
It means everything to me. Like I said, I'm very grateful. Actually, this whole event, sa totoo lang, sobrang na-pressure po ako. Kasi syempre na-launch na rin yung iba mga calendar girls. And I wanted to show everyone that I deserve to be the 2026 White Castle calendar girls. So this endorsement is really close to my heart, and it's been such a smooth and fun ride for me kasi napakabait and napaka-professional ng buong team. And it doesn't feel like work at all. And I'm so happy with the outcome. It's so nice, and masaya ako. I'm so excited ako na makita rin yung mga magandang photos natin sa billboard. Parang, yes, another dream come true. So,
Okay, the final question. What's the most challenging part of being a calendar girl of White Castle Whiskey? The challenging part.
yung pinaka-challenging po yung pag-accept ko po sa kabayo. Opo. Na kailangan sexy ako, na kailangan hindi ako nahihirapan. Yung mukha ko na hindi ako hirap na hirap sa ginagawa ko, so kailangan nakakawa pa rin. But yun, napakabago yung ng challenge na yun. Kasi, like I said, it's napakadali lang. Everything has been so light and easy and harmonious.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.